Do you know you can cast your Google Meet meeting in a bigger screen? In this video, let me show you how can you do that. Now I'm in a Google Meet meeting. If I wanted to cast this meeting to a bigger screen, you need to go to these three dots and there you will be able to see this particular option, cast this meeting. Now once I'll click on that, you'll be able to see that there are certain options came up. That is, two options are available there I can cast. You can also click on this drop down to select what you wanted to cast. You wanted to cast only this tab, you wanted to cast the entire desktop, or you wanted to cast a specific file. All these options are there. Now whenever we are talking about casting your Google Meet meeting to a different device, there are certain caveats. First of all, you need to use a 64-bit Google Chrome installation. That is one. I am currently using it in a Mac OS and there I am getting this option. In case you are using a 32-bit version, then you will not be able to see this particular cast to meeting option that which is coming in the first one. So this is one. Second thing, in the same network, the same wireless network, you need to have those devices also available which are capable to cast your device. So whenever I'm clicking on this option, it's showing these two available options because these two devices are available in the same wireless network from where I'm accessing. So these are the two things you need to keep it in your mind. One is your browser should be 64-bit and second one is your other devices, the bigger screen you are going to cast, those should be available within your same network from where you are casting. Hope you like this particular video. If you wanted to learn more about Google Meet, please check the link available in the description below. I have a full video covering all features of Google Meet. Thank you for your time. Bye bye for now.